Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Navyashri. You people might have come across many Android apps which are useful and which may not be useful. Once you download it, you will come to know. In this video, I'll be telling you about most useful apps, the two Android apps. These apps are used and personally reviewed by me. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Cake web browser. If you are looking for a best web browser, this is one of the best web browser I have used. It has inbuilt free unlimited VPN, ad and tracker blocker and many other useful features, and it has 1 million plus downloads. Fing network tools. If you have installed this app in your phone, you can find out who is using your Wi-Fi, and you can also get the device IP address and MAC address, and it has 10 million plus downloads. Friendspire. This is the best app for searching movies, series, books. It provides complete ratings and reviews and on which platform it is available. IFTTT. Using this app, you can create conditions which will trigger different events. For example, you can make your phone ring when the battery is 100% charged. Wakey voice chat. A wake up call service to wake you up. Just select the time to receive a call. A random stranger will wake you up and talks to you until you're ready. Fake call. This app helps to schedule a fake call to rescue yourself from any awkward situation. Rando for me. This is an app that lets you send pics to random people from around the world. Beware, you can also get unwanted pics also. Chrome Remote Desktop. This app helps you to access your computer from any Android device. RunP. This app does exactly what it says. RunP has a dynamic ever updating database that tells you the best time to run and pee in between the movie so that you don't miss any major scenes. Disa. This is a message hub for SMS, Telegram, FB Messenger. Don't you hate it when you have to switch between multiple chat apps to be in touch with everyone on your list? Yes. Well, this app merges all the messengers so you can text anyone by opening a single app. Personal DNS filter. With this app, you can block all the ads on your apps so you can enjoy all your games and apps without any ads. Betamaniac. This app helps you to get to try new features before they are officially released. Be among the limited ones who gets to try amazing features. SplitServe. Having all OTT, that is Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. can be very expensive. With SplitServe, you can get any subscription at a very small amount by sharing your own subscription or joining others. Always on edge. Whenever you receive a notification, you can get a cool edge lighting on your camera or entire phone. Stay focused. If you get distracted very easily, then this is a perfect app for you. Daily usage notification, block apps and website for a specific period of time. Shazam. If you want to know which song is that, use Shazam to get the answer. Shazam can recognize music in no time. Launcher 2. This is the best launcher app I have used ever. Phone call free. This app allows you to call anyone from a random number. Couchgram. This app helps you to lock the incoming call so that only you can answer it. Hide caller ID or rename caller ID which you want to be displayed while receiving the call. Peak charging. This app helps you to change your charging animations. New charging animations every time you plug in charger. Asteroids 3D live wallpaper. The only live wallpaper putting together unbelievable realistic backgrounds taken right from the space. New space worlds with gyroscope effect. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to subscribe my channel.